Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best car blocks on the market, the RhinoGear RhinoRamps Max Vehicle Ramp. If you're someone who regularly works on their vehicle or just needs a reliable and sturdy ramp for maintenance, these ramps might just be what you've been searching for. The RhinoGear RhinoRamps Max ramps are designed to provide a safe and convenient way to lift your vehicle off the ground. They can handle a massive gross vehicle weight of up to 16,000 pounds, making them suitable for cars, pickups, SUVs, and vans. This impressive weight capacity means that no matter the size of your vehicle, these ramps are built to hold up with confidence. One of the key features of these ramps is their rugged and structural design, crafted from a specialized plastic material that is both strong and lightweight. The ramps measure 36 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 8.5 inches high, making them easy to store when not in use. Despite their sturdy construction, each ramp weighs practically nothing, making them highly portable and user-friendly. The design incorporates a patented polymer internal support system that helps distribute weight evenly, offering unbeatable strength comparable to steel ramps but without the heavy lifting involved in handling metal alternatives. This makes them ideal for DIYers who want durability and strength without the bulk. Another great aspect is the 17-degree incline, which is perfect for low-clearance vehicles. Many ramps on the market are too steep and can cause scraping or damage when driving onto them. But these ramps are designed to provide a smooth and gradual ascent to protect your vehicle's underside. Plus, the extra wide tire width ensures your wheels stay securely on the ramps, reducing any chances of slipping or misalignment. Safety is a big focus with the RhinoRamps Max. The innovative quart-track non-skid base grips the ground firmly, reducing any slippage during use. This feature is especially important when working in garages or on slippery surfaces, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle is stable as you work underneath. These ramps are also built with storage in mind. They nest neatly, allowing you to stack them and save space in your garage or storage area. Unlike bulky metal ramps, these compact ramps can be tucked away easily without taking up too much room. While they don't fold, their lightweight and portable nature means you can move them around effortlessly, whether you're working at home or need to take them on the road for mobile maintenance or repairs. The RhinoGear RhinoRamps Max ramps come as a pair, so you get everything you need to lift both sides of your vehicle safely. This makes them great for a variety of automotive tasks, from oil changes to tire rotations and more extensive repairs that require easy access to the underside. Although currently unavailable, these ramps have a reputation for being a reliable and durable choice for anyone looking to invest in quality automotive ramps. Their combination of strength, convenience, and safety features makes them stand out in the crowded market of vehicle ramps. So if you're tired of struggling with heavy, cumbersome ramps or looking for a solid set of ramps that provide excellent stability, wide tire support, and a gentle incline, the RhinoGear RhinoRamps Max is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next one.